Hello, today I have a really easy low-carb vegetable soup with just these 4 ingredients, and as always I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below so you can click that to pin bookmark save for whenever you want to make this easy low-carb vegetable soup. So we've got our ingredients here. We've got a big head of broccoli, we've got a leek, we've got a couple of zucchinis or courgettes, and we've got some vegetable stock. Now you can mix and match other ingredients. I'll write loads of adaptation ideas in the blog post down below, but I find this combination of low carb ingredients is just perfect. I don't use onion or garlic. The leek just gives such beautiful flavor that I find it doesn't need it, but feel free to add it instead. I have been making this soup every few days lately, and it's so good and so nourishing. It's been so cold here in Ireland, so definitely soup has been needed with most meals. So I'm going to get on and start slowly cooking my leek, and then we'll cook up the rest of the soup. So I've roughly chopped up my leek. Use as much or as little as you like depending how many carbs you want to allocate to your soup. And I've got some butter melting over a medium heat. You don't want it to be too hot. And now we're going to slowly soften the leek. The leek is in the saucepan, and we're really just going to toss it around, maybe add a little more butter if it needs it, but cook it until it's softened, but we don't want to brown it. While the leek is softening, I'm just chopping up my broccoli into little florets, and we'll chop up the zucchini too. I'm quite happy with my leek, nice and buttery. I've added butter along the way. It's softened, looking a tiny bit translucent. That is just perfect. So we're going to add in the broccoli and give it all a toss through and let this cook for a minute or two, and then add in the zucchini. The broccoli is looking beautiful and vibrant and green, so we're going to add in the zucchini, and I'm just going to toss it through, cook it for a minute or two, and then add in our stock. Love the vibrant green of the soup, so just add some salt, pepper, seasoning at this stage, whatever you like, and then we're going to pour, I like to just pour over some boiling water that I've boiled in a kettle and my 2 stock cubes. Okay, so I like to add in water to just cover all of the vegetables. The water is in, and now I just like to crumble over both of my stock cubes and then mix it all through. It kind of just dissolves in, and you've got a beautiful flavored soup. So now just keep an eye on it. We're going to bring it up to the boil and then let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes. I don't want to overcook my veggies, and then I'm going to blend mine with a stick blender. You can cool it down, use a blender, whatever you like, but yeah, I'm just going to cook this until everything is just cooked perfectly to my liking. My soup's been gently simmering away for about 15 minutes. It's hot and steamy. I'm quite happy with that. I don't want to kind of overcook everything and have it all go mushy, so I'm going to take it off the heat, let it cool a little bit, and then I'm going to blend it with my stick blender to make a smooth and creamy soup. But you can enjoy it like this if you want to. I just recently bought a stick blender, and I just love blending all my soups and making smooth, creamy, delicious soups. So I'm just going to let it cool, and I'll show you when I blend it. Okay, I've got the soup cooling a bit over here. I've got my stick blender, and I'm going to blend it until I've got a smooth and creamy soup. There we go. I'm quite happy with that. It's beautiful, thick, creamy soup. And now I'm just going to pour it out into a bowl. And I've poured out a couple of ladles for a beautiful lunch for myself. And there's still heaps. The serves 4, 6 serves, depending how many ladles and whether you want it more of a starter or side or as a whole meal. And if you want to make this low carb and high fat, you can stir through a couple of tablespoons of cream or sour cream or some cheese, parmesan. Anything would go beautifully with soup. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching this 4 ingredient, really easy low carb vegetable soup. Remember to check down below for the link to the blog post where you can get the full step-by-step instructions and pin bookmark save for whenever you want to make this soup. And remember to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment to let me know if you give this recipe a try. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.